We're back. Today's consumer in this morning, top-rated, best-selling must-haves for spring. You know how it is, whether you're buying beauty products or fashions, you go online. So many choices, all the reviews, they're conflicting. Well, don't worry, because we have Yahoo contributing editor Chassie Post, who sorted through it all. You tested it. You found out what the best sellers are. What's a good price?
Yeah.
And what really works?
Yes, and it's always so fascinating to see what shoppers are obsessed with. So,
okay.
Double winners, everything here, best sellers, top reviews.
All right, let's hit it. What do we have there?
Let's start with beauty. So first we have First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Cream. Now, Savannah, one tube of this is sold every 20 seconds.
What is it?
It is that popular. It is one of the most moisturizing creams that you could
for your face or your body?
It's really for super dry skin. You can even use it on eczema, and it's a #1 bestseller at Sephora.
Doesn't have much of a smell, which is probably good.
And it's fast drying, and also this is a brand that gives back. With these limited edition tubs here, they'll give 10% of every sale to Fab Aid's.
Very moisturizing.
Yes, debt relief initiative, student debt relief initiative. So that's really cool.
And how
right?
much?
It starts at just $11. Okay, another bestseller. Now, this is the 4-in-1 Multi-Tasker makeup brush. It's by Alleyoop. Okay, so they sold out to an 8,000-person wait list. Just launched again last week, sold out in 15 minutes.
How does it work? What do you mean 4-in-1?
This is 4-in-1 makeup brushes. So as you see, it comes apart. Here you've got a little sponge.
This would be great for travel.
Incredible for travel. So you've got 4 of the most popular brushes, and you can pre-order it today. It'll arrive in April, and it's $24. And such.
Or you can just steal it right off the table.
Oh, you sure can.
Okay.
Savannah, right?
All right, I like that.
Okay, so next up for brows, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Now, you will see on the screen some of the celebrities that Anastasia, the founder of the company, is behind the brows of. So that's Amal, J-Lo, Caitlyn Jenner, all of the Kardashians. And the great thing about this is it's a #1 bestseller. It is voted the best brow product. And
what is it, just a pencil?
It is a superfine pencil, non-smudge, that naturally you can fill in any brow. Overplucked. I used it today. I overplucked my brows. I
underpluck mine.
Right?
But that's another story.
And so this really fills it in, and it's just $24. Okay. So that's pretty good.
All right.
Okay, let's go on to fashion. So here we have the Asgard Chelsea boot. Now, these are made out of rubber. They're waterproof.
Oh, okay.
#1 bestseller on Amazon. And these are flying off the shelves. I love that because they look so chic, like a typical Chelsea boot.
Yeah.
But they're waterproof.
Okay.
And they're a great transition from spring to, from winter to spring.
How much?
And they are starting at just $14. So #1 bestseller on Amazon in boots.
I like this little camera.
Aren't they cute? Okay, so here's something that people are obsessed with. So this is from Lively. It is the no-wire it's the no-wire strapless bra. And what people love about this is you can bend it, you can twist it. There's no underwire, but it gives you the same support.
Oh.
It comes in 5 different nude shades.
It doesn't slide down or anything?
It doesn't slide down, and this sold out 5 times, Savannah. So people are freaking out about it.
Okay.
Okay, another thing that shoppers love, shapewear, right? But it's usually so expensive. These are by Robert Matthew, #1 bestseller on Amazon. They are also just $19.
Okay.
I am wearing one
a bargain,
now, right? And I will tell you, it is a triple threat. Tummy, tush, and thighs.
Well, you don't need it, Chassie.
Oh, my gosh. Well, that's because I'm wearing this. And the best thing about it is it doesn't roll down. It's got light boning in it, which is a pet peeve
It's not too tight because I have my your fat comes over.
That's the great thing. Okay,
the phone sanitizer. Tell me everything.
All right, so this is what you guys were getting so excited about. This is called the Phone Soap Smartphone Sanitizer. It uses UV light to zap all those germs. And did you know that they say that a phone has about as much or more germs than the average toilet seat?
I didn't know, but I'm not surprised.
Now you do. You can't unhear that, right? So these are $80. They're a bestseller at Uncommon Goods. And all you do is you put it in, and you sit for 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yes, that's it. It'll charge your phone, zaps it with UV light.
All right, I got 30 seconds. We got to roll fast.
This rug, From Wayfair, 32,000 reviews. People are so passionate about this rug, and it is adorable, high quality, and starts at $21.
All right.
And last but not least,
the chamois, the absorbent towel.
Yes, look at Quincy with the super chamois from Soggy Doggy.
And our production manager, Tracy.
I know, and this is like a sponge, and it doesn't give you that wet dog smell because it dries so quickly, so you can keep it in your car or at your door. It'll dry off your little pooch in seconds, and this microfiber is so soft, and each microfiber holds...
Quincy's living the life right here.
Right?
You know?
7 times its weight, each microfiber it absorbs in water.
Okay.
How about that?
I love it, Chassie. Thank you so much. We went through a lot of stuff there. If you want more information, you can go to today.com/shop, and all the info is there. Thank you, Chassie.
Thank you.
Great.
I just found out Daphne Oz uses a chamois as well.
Getting cheaper over there.